Hello mga travelers! Ngayon, nandito ako sa Huiyuan Yuan, dito sa may Hilton Newport area in Manila, para i-review sa inyo kung kaano ba talaga kasarap ang dim sum all you can nila. Promo nila from 11 to 2 p.m. So far, napakasarap talaga. Bukod sa napakaganda ng place, sobrang nakakasyala, is that the taste of each and every dim sum na in-order ko were all authentic. Sabi nga nila, they boast it as a Shanghai style of dim sum. So eto, that is 10 over 10. Yung kanilang soup. And of course, yung kanilang chicken feet, gustong gusto ko rin yun. And it's actually a little bit of everything. Yun nga lang, para kasi nakakahiyang umorder. Kasi before they can serve the food, ay talagang medyo may katagalan. But overall, the taste of everything is superb. Especially yung kanilang dessert. So, overall, I can rate it as a 5-star hotel taste talaga. So, I enjoyed it for just 1,400 plus per person. You can enjoy the